Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You say we had a good
Yummy, bye-bye.
lunch at this place.
Kalaban ng ano to? Culvers.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Waiting. You want more?
No, finish it. Bye-bye. The food is really good. I mean, we can come back here
Sure.
to try more of their to try other food that they have here,
Yeah.
because they have a lot. They have like besides the chicken
So
sandwich.
much to ano.
Yeah, there's a lot of choices. You know. See, I mean, you can see nasa taas lang sila, oh, yan, sa taas lang yung mga ano. Kung order ka. Tapos kung gusto mong umorder ka, nakapark ka, papark mo yung sakyan mo rito. Yan, dyan, papark mo yung sakyan mo dyan, tapos order ka. Tapos nandun yung ano, yan yung mga pagkain.